Making it effortless for customers to find your business starts with integrating your location directly onto your Squarespace website. Let's dive into how you can add and customize your location details, step by step. First, navigate to the page where you want to showcase your location and click the Add Block option from the available blocks. Select the Map block. Once the Map block is added, click on it to access its settings. The most crucial step is entering your complete business address accurately in the designated field. This ensures the map points to the correct location. You can also add a custom map title and a brief description to provide more context, like your business name or operating hours. Squarespace offers customization options to match your website's aesthetic explore settings for map style and zoom level to best represent your location. You can choose different map styles, like different color schemes or views, and adjust the zoom level so your business is clearly visible. After making your adjustments, save your changes. Your business address and an interactive map are now seamlessly integrated, guiding your customers right to your door and improving your local search visibility. And that's how you effectively add and customize your location on Squarespace.